universe.
Tale weavers from Antaranga. Today I am here to tell you a story about Tucket. Now, who is Tucket? Tucket the Bucket. Tucket is the saddest bucket in the whole world. Now you may ask, why is Tucket so sad? Well, at one time, he was the favorite of the garden and all the flowers loved him. The gardener would also take hold of his strong handle and take him along with him to water the plants. Tucket loved it. He loved looking at all the beautiful flowers around, and the flowers became his friends, and they would dance and smile at him whenever he was around. But one day, you know what happened? Tucket got a big hole. A big hole in the bucket. Now the gardener thought, this bucket is useless. I don't want him anymore. Oh, what did the gardener do? He went and bought a new bucket and took hold of Tucket and gave him a kick and threw him to the corner of the garden. Poor Tucket. There he lay in the rain and the wind and the hot sun. And what do you think happened to him? There was rust all over him. And he lay there uselessly. He was very sad. Now he had some friends in the garden, and they were the squirrels and the birds. They would come trying to cheer him up. The birds would sing for him. The squirrel would lift him up and tell him, don't worry, Tucket, we are here, we are your friends. But Tucket was very, very sad. Then one day, you know what happened? A little girl came dancing and singing along and came close to Tucket. Looked at Tucket all around and she was very happy. And she said, oh, perfect! Tucket was surprised. He thought he was ready for a kick. He thought the girl would kick him. But instead, the girl said, perfect. The girl picked him up and took him to the garden corner, and with the garden hose, he cleaned Tucket up. And she cleaned and while she cleaned, all the rust from Tucket came out. Let's see, how did Tucket feel? Tucket was feeling lovely. Oh, the rust is falling off. Oh, lovely. Sprinkle water and all over. And here was Tucket, feeling new and happy. His rust had come out. Then this girl picked him up and peered in. And what did she see? She saw a big hole. And she screamed out loud, oh, this is perfect. Oh, I didn't know there was a hole. This is a better thing. Oh, I love it. Tucket was surprised. What is the girl wanting? A bucket with a hole? Can it be true? Can someone want a bucket with a hole? Anyway, the girl picked him up, took him to the veranda, put in some manure and mud, and then she planted a rose sapling into the mud, and she looked at Tucket and said, "Look, this is what I have done. I have planted a sapling here. Now this is your job. You are to look after this plant, this little rose plant. And you must really take care of it." Oh, Tucket was really happy. Why wouldn't he be? He was been given some responsibility to look after some flower, which he loved so much. He felt so proud of himself. Soon all his friends, remember the squirrels and the birds, they came along and cheered up Tucket again and said, "Tucket, we are so very happy for you. Now aren't you happy? You are not useless anymore." Tucket was happy. And now what do you think? He's the happiest bucket in this whole world. How did you like the story? I'm sure you liked it. Now you wait for me. I'll come back with some more stories and maybe poems. So take care, little children. Stay safe. Until then, I'll see you again. Bye-bye.
To subscribe, tap on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon.
নমস্কাৰ, মই হলো তৰা। মই আপোনালোক সকলোকে অনুৰোধ জনাব বিচাৰিছোঁ, ককা আইতা, বৰ্তা বৰমা, জেঠাই জেঠু, মহা মাহী, মামা মামী, পেহা পেহী আৰু আংকল আণ্টি আৰু মোৰ বন্ধুসকল, আমাৰ সাধুঘৰ নামৰ এই ইউটিউব চেনেলটি আপোনালোকে যেন অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰে। আমি সদায় ধুনীয়া নতুন সাধু লৈ আহিম। ধন্যবাদ।